Hi, I'm Simon and welcome to the UKHarvest Training Kitchen. And we're here to make sure that you make the most of this party weekend. So to help you bring the fun and sizzle to your street party, we're going to take your standard hummus to another level. So eyes down on the board and we'll take you through it. So hummus, 1 tub. If you want to make your own, brilliant, crack on. Chickpeas, olive oil, you're away. But we're just going to take 1 tub of pre-made hummus. We're going to scoop that out with a spoon straight into the middle of a shallow plate. Like that. And then using the back of the spoon, we're just going to move that hummus around to create a thin layer all over the base of the plate. And this is brilliant. You can scoop this, you can spoon this, you can do whatever you want with this, but it's going to bring flavour and fun to that street party this weekend. So once we're smoothed over the top, what are we going to do next? We're going to sprinkle with chili powder, very light, covering the chili powder, just to bring a little bit of colour to the plate. We're also going to go in with a little bit of cumin on a different angle, just so that it makes it look good. Just a sprinkle of cumin all over the top and a sprinkle of coriander on a different angle again, so it's a party. And then to that, to our plate, we are going to add some finely chopped up tomatoes. Just give a sprinkle all over. It can be as random as you like. So we've got some tomatoes going on there. We're going to add some cucumber, really finely diced cucumber. That's going all over the top. We're going to give it a bit of a punch. We're going to go in with a fresh chilli, all finely diced as well. Just to give that a real punch. There we go. And then to add a little bit of salt to it, we're going to come in with some little jarred gherkins, so like cocktail gherkins, pickled gherkins, which have all been finely chopped up. And it's starting to look a little bit like a pizza, which is exactly what we wanted it to do. Put that on there, final flurry, little bit of fresh coriander which has been chopped up. And then that you serve alongside some crudité, maybe some chopped up pita bread, all of that sort of stuff. But there you are, folks. Take your hummus to another level. Take it to your street party, let everybody have fun. I hope you've just managed to raise the level on the hummus. Have a great party on Sunday, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.